Hi, this is my 1 minute burpee video challenge for Cirque du Soleil legs. As a coach, I see lots of burpees in the gym, so I thought I'd spend my 1 minute seeing some of the wonderful sights that we see in a daily basis at CrossFit Chiltern, and some of the things that you maybe don't want to do for the open on Friday. Starting with the leg spreader. We've got the step in burpee and step out. We've got the clap first burpee. We've got the squatter. We've got the ever so slightly no rep burpee. We've then got that absolutely not a chance, never going to be a rep burpee. We've got the stuck to the floor burpee. We've then got the grief burpee. We've got the no arms burpee. The no jump burpee. And we've also got the sexy burpee. So on the open on Friday, we've got nice smooth burpees, jump overhead, and if we can clap those hands, even better. Cirque du Soleil legs.